Katkum ka khubor na sarkar ki jingdon ki bayap na ka jingthei ka kremti doyong bian ha Thanksko East Giant Hills kala Kiew sha ka arphunyongot hadu manta bat khandai ngut kala Mynsaw na kalyang ki bor sarkar na do ka NDRF SDRF kedang pelong ya ka Jingwad ya ki briu ki badang ja apo krem ka belaja ha ka santrik mantau benai katkum ka jingtip ki badan hapo krem ha ka por baja ka jingpthei kala ban buon bha tamba kim patip tikana
So Thanksko's moving was he told to arrange vehicle. I like to who will arrange. I already sent that gypsy for washing.
मिट्टी उतर गया पूरा काला होना चाहिए ना मिट्टी पूरा सफेद हो रखा है ये गिर गिर के तो है almost 8 persons, injured persons. One is in near Joy, there is a hospital there. Others, one is in, I think, Nigrims, there's 6 or 7 people. another in a private hospital there in Shillong. And out of 2 pits, one pit NDRF has told me that they have cleared that. One body has been recovered from there. This pit is yet to be cleared by NDRF. They said their work will go on. And since there is a landslide inside, so I have requested them to clear it even by removing the landslide whatever way it is possible. And let us see whether any other body could be found.
So, as inside, we're trapped inside.
As somebody has told me, even that 40-50 people. But these are all the vague figures given. Initially, I got the information that there would be at least 15 to 16 persons. So that appears to be correct because 19 bodies have been recovered so far. We don't know. There may be somebody else also in this pit because this is yet to be cleared by exact number.
So what is for this?
Immediate action is to continue with the rescue operation till both the pits are cleared.
So, as you have mentioned in earlier meetings, like if these illegal minings could continue like this, many incidents like this will happen. So,
Oh yes, because I found it, I have informed the Honorable High Court also time and again that illegal mining activity is going on in East Jaintia Hills district. Today while coming from Claryhat to this place, on both sides of the road I have seen the mining. I stopped over there, I have taken the photographs. Tomorrow I will inform the High Court again. No doubt about it. Somebody may deny it for a different purpose, but still I'll say that illegal mining is going on and this has happened. We have lost 19 people at least, and there may be more casualties. There may be some other incidents, some other places, nearby places. 2-3 weeks back there was another incident in nearby. One person died who happened to be from Assam. Then before that also there 2 or 3 persons died in East Jaintia Hills district. So illegal mining is going on, no doubt about it.